हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, आय एम मुकुंदा माळी। आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण इयत्ता 9वीच्या टेक्स्टबुकमधील लेसन नंबर 1.4 द स्टोरी ऑफ टी या लेसनचे मार्जिन क्वेश्चन्स व इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप अभ्यासणार आहोत। त्यासाठी मित्रांनो हा व्हिडिओ शेवटपर्यंत नक्कीच बघा। वेलकम बैक। मार्जिन क्वेश्चंस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, हाउ इज टी द बेवरेज मेड? चहा हे पेय कसे तयार केले जाते? आंसर, टी इज मेड बाय ब्रीविंग, दैट इज बाय इन्फ्यूजिंग टी लीव्स इन बॉइलिंग वाटर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हाउ इज टी दैट इज पैक्ड एंड सोल्ड टू अस मेड? आपल्याकडे पॅक करून विकला जाणारा चहा कसा असतो? आंसर, the tea that is packed and sold to us is first dried, cured and processed. Next question, where are the tea estates located? चहाचे मळे कुठे असतात? Answer, tea estates are located on hill slopes at an elevation of up to 1500 meters. Next question, why are tea plants pruned? चहाचे झाडांची छाटणी का करतात? आंसर, द टी प्लांट्स आर प्रून्ड अँड केप्ट ॲट अ हाईट ऑफ अबाउट 3 feet टू इनेबल इझी प्लकिंग ऑफ द लीव्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हॉट आर बोटॅनिकल नेम्स, हाऊ आर दे डिसाइडेड? वनस्पतीशास्त्रातील नावे म्हणजे काय? ती कशी ठरवली जातात? आंसर, अ बोटॅनिकल नेम इज अ सायंटिफिक नेम that is given to algae, fungi and plants by the International Board of Nomenclature. They are decided according to the type of plant and its prominent features. Next question, what does tea contain? What does it not contain? चहामध्ये असणारे घटक कोणते व चहामध्ये नसणारे घटक कोणते? आन्सर, tea contains theanine and caffeine which give the drink a stimulating quality. It does not contain carbohydrates, fat or proteins. Next question, who was Emperor Shennong? सम्राट शेनॉन्ग कोण होता? आन्सर, Emperor Shennong was the father of Chinese agriculture and medicine. Next question, why did he carry out further investigations about tea? एम्पेरर शेनॉन्गने चहाबद्दल पुढील तपास का चालू ठेवला? आन्सर, एम्पेरर शेनॉन्ग कॅरीड आउट फर्दर इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन्स अबाउट टी बिकॉज ही वॉज एक्साइटेड अबाउट द अननोन प्लांट अँड इट्स अमेझिंग फ्लेवर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हाऊ डिड टी रीच अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड? जगाच्या इतर भागामध्ये चहा कसा पोहोचला? आन्सर, the Turkish traders first started bargaining for tea on the border of Mongolia. From Mongolia, it spread to Japan, Europe and England. Next question, what is the difference between legends or stories and history? आख्यायिका किंवा दंतकथा आणि इतिहास यांच्यामधील फरक कोणता आहे? आन्सर, legends or stories may not be true, but history tells you the facts and true events of the past. History is the written or recorded or spoken events of the past. They are concerned with the real persons, places, arts, etc. that really existed in the past, whereas legends are mostly imaginary and passed down from generations to generations in the form of storytelling. Next question, can you guess the origin of the Marathi word चहा? मराठीतील चहा या शब्दाच्या उत्पत्तीबद्दल तुमचा तर्क सांगा. आन्सर, the origin of the Marathi word चहा can be traced back to the word cha used to refer to tea. Next question, the paragraph about how tea came to India brings out the difference between history based on oral sources and recorded history. Discuss how the author brings it out. Answer. The author talks about tea's journey to India. He first deals with the oral sources. For example, tea, which was known in India as a medicinal plant since ancient times. Here, clear indication is given that this information is thought by historians and is not actually proven. Then the author begins to give factual information about how the British started plantations in the 19th century and how in the 1770s the British East India Company tried to grow tea as well but failed. This information has substantial evidence and hence is based on recorded history. Next question. What is the difference between claim and fact? दावा आणि तथ्य या शब्दांमध्ये फरक काय आहे? आन्सर. द वर्ड क्लेम इज अ स्टेटमेंट that states or stresses on a fact but not on the basis of any evidence which can prove it, while a fact is a statement that can be proved as right through evidence. This is the difference between claim and fact. Do you have any ceremonies associated with food items? Answer. There are no any ceremonies directly associated with particular food items, but when people celebrate the festivals of Holi, Diwali, Makar Sankrant, etc., people particularly prepare and enjoy food items like Puran Poli, sweets, ladus, tilgul, kheer, etc. Next question. What are the good qualities of tea? Answer. Tea is a healthy, enjoyable and stimulating drink. It reduces loneliness, calms the heart and is a comfort in everyday life. Next question. Why are the cups only half filled in Chinese tea ceremonies? चायनीज चहा समारंभामध्ये चहाचे कप अर्धेच का भरलेले असतात? आन्सर. In Chinese tea ceremonies, the cups are only half filled because the Chinese believe that the rest of the cup must be filled with friendship and affection. English workshop. Question number 1. List all the names of geographical places mentioned in the passage. Answer. Assam, China, India, Darjeeling, Nilgiris, Mongolia, Japan, Europe, England, etc. Question number 2. Make smaller words using the letters in the given words, at least 5 words each. या प्रश्नामध्ये पुढील दिलेल्या शब्दांपासून आपल्याला लहान लहान शब्द तयार करायचे आहेत. कमीत कमी 5 शब्द प्रत्येक शब्दाशी संबंधित लिहायचे आहेत. ॲक्च्युअली, ॲक्ट, actual, tally, call, tall, refreshing, refresh, fresh, shine, free, freeing. Next word. Immediately, immediate, mediate, diet, deal, date. Next word. Investigations, invest, intention, tones, get, save. Next word. Meditation, time, edition, edit, mate, dot. Next word. Enjoyable, enjoy, joy, job, able, enable. Next word. Loneliness, lone, line, one, lines, sun. Next word. Friendship, friend, sheep, end, heap, deep. Question number 3. From the passage, copy correctly any 3 sentences that begin with how. Answer. First sentence. How and when did people first begin to drink tea. Second sentence, how did this magical beverage get its name? Last sentence, how did tea first come to India? Question number 4, find the meanings of the following from a good dictionary. First word, infusion. Answer, drink prepared by mixing tea leaves with liquid. Next word, restorative. Answer, capable of reviving health and strength. Next word, inscriptions. Answer, documents or records written, engraved or painted. Next word, radicals, a reactive atom in the body consisting one or more unpaired electrons. Next word, connoisseurs. Answer, people who have the knowledge of arts, food and drinks. Question number 5, list the words related to A. Agriculture. Related words, leaves, seeds, shoots, plant, botanical name, tropical, climate, rainfall, pruned. B. Chemistry. Related words, aroma, flavor, taste, free radicals, antioxidant, chemical, carbohydrate, fat, proteins. Question number 6, complete the following sentences with the help of the passage. Answers are given directly. A. Camellia sinensis is an evergreen plant that grows in tropical and subtropical climate. B. The teas we buy are usually classified according to their leaf size. C. In many countries around the world, tea drinking is an important social occasion. D. Our body produces chemicals called free radicals. Question number 7, prepare a flow chart to show the growth and journey of tea from the plantation to our homes. Use information from the lesson. Plantation, leaves are dried, leaves cured, leaves processed, packed, sold to us. आय होप फ्रेंड्स तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ नक्कीच आवडला असेल. व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर व्हिडिओला लाईक करा, जास्तीत जास्त विद्यार्थ्यांपर्यंत या व्हिडिओला शेअर करा. थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग फ्रेंड्स.